Welcome to learningayurveda.com. This is the last part of the series regarding Ayurvedic seasonal regimen as told in third chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya. Here we are covering Ayurveda autumn regimen. Autumn refers to Sharat Ritu according to Ayurveda, which extends between mid-September to mid-November. During rainy season, the person becomes accustomed to the cold. But when he gets suddenly exposed to the warm rays of sun due to Sharad Ritu, the pitta, which has undergone increase in rainy season, becomes greatly aggravated. In order to get over it, Tikta Grata, a medicated ghee with bitter principles, should be taken more, and person should also undergo purgation therapy and bloodletting therapy, which helps to balance pitta. When hungry, the person should take food which are bitter, sweet, and astringent tastes and easily digestible, such as rice, green gram, sugar, amla, patola, honey, and meat of animals of desert lands. Next, Hamsodaka. The water which gets heated by the hot rays of the sun during day, cooled down by the cool rays of the moon during night, for many days continuously, which has been depoisoned or detoxicated by the rise of the star Agastya, which is pure, uncontaminated, and capable of mitigating the doshas, is known as Hamsodaka. It neither produces more secretion or moisture inside the minute channels of the body. It is nor dry. Such a water is like nectar for drinking. Evenings should be spent on the terraces of houses which are white by painting, anointing the body with a paste of sandalwood, cuscus grass, camphor, wearing garlands of pearls and shining dress and enjoying the moonlight. Avoid exposure to snow, that is mist. Avoid indulgence in alkaline substances, satiation with heavy meal. Avoid use of curds, oil, muscle fat, exposure to sunlight, strong liquors, sleeping in daytime, and the eastern breeze. So this covers the regimen to be followed during Sharat Ritu or autumn. Use of taste as per season. During winter and rainy season, sweet, sour, and salt taste should be specially used. During spring season, bitter, pungent, and astringent taste should be used more. During summer, sweet taste should be used more, and during autumn, sweet, bitter, and astringent taste should be used more. Quality of food as per season. The food and drink should be dry during autumn and spring. The food should be cooled during summer and the end of rainy season and should be hot in the rest of the seasons. The habit of using all the six tastes every day is ideal for maintenance of health. However, during particular seasons, the particular tastes should be given special emphasis. Ritu Sandhi, 7 days at the end of previous season and 7 days at the commencement of the next season is known as Ritu Sandhi or inter-seasonal period. During this period, the regimen of the preceding season should be discontinued gradually and that of the succeeding season should be gradually adopted. Sudden discontinuance or sudden adoption gives rise to disease caused by asatmya or non-habituation. So thus ends the chapter named Ritucharya or Ayurvedic seasonal regimen, the third chapter of Sutrasthana of Ashtanga Hridaya. To know more about Ayurveda and to learn it, please visit learningayurveda.com.